Hey everyone, welcome back to Glitch Sip. In this video, I'm going to show you whether it's possible to install Roblox on the Nintendo Switch. And the short and honest answer is, right now, there's no official way to do it. Let me show you why. If we go to the Nintendo Switch home menu and open the Nintendo eShop, this is where all the available games are listed. In theory, Roblox could be available here at some point in the future, maybe in a few months, but as of now, it's not available. To double check, we can go to the search bar inside the Nintendo eShop and type Roblox. Once we hit search, you'll notice that no Roblox game appears. So at the moment, there's no official Roblox version for Nintendo Switch. This will most likely change in the future, but for now, the only thing we can do is wait until Roblox is officially released for the console. And that's it. It's really that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one here on Glitch Sip.